system would be to use a matrix. And what we can do is essentially take each side of the equal sign and turn it into a set of matrices. So what we're going to do on the left side is we're going to create what's called our coefficient matrix. So our coefficient matrix is going to be, in this case, a 2 by 2 matrix with our coefficients. And I need to make sure that my x's are lined up and I have an x and y in each equation. So I've got 3, -3, -4, 5. We're then going to have our variable matrix. So we're just going to call that variable x. Where our variable matrix is the matrix xy as a 2 by 1 matrix. So it's just representing our ordered pair vertically as opposed to the traditional ordered pair labeled horizontally. Alright, so that's going to be equal to our constant matrix. So those are our constants on the other side of the equation, -9 and 8. So just like we would before, alright, where you can use our inverse matrices. So we need to find a determinant of this matrix 3, -3, -4, 5. So we're going to do our cross product. 3 times 5 minus -3 times -4. So that's 15 minus 12, which is 3. So what we're going to do now to find our variable matrix x is we're going to multiply that inverse. So I need 1/3, 1 over the determinant, times the inverse matrix, so 1/3 times, so I'm going to switch A and D, so I'm going to have 5 and 3 switch places. And then I want the opposites of B and C, so that right to left diagonal is going to be 3 and 4. And we're going to multiply that by our constant matrix, -9, 8. So we have a 2 by 2 multiplied by a 2 by 1. So these are the same, so our resulting matrix is going to be a 2 by 1 matrix. So I'm going to take row 1, column 1. Alright, so 5 times -9 is -45. 3 times 8 is 24. And then I'm going to do row 2, column 1. So 4 times -9 is -36. Plus 3 times 8 is 24. And I don't want to forget that 1/3 in front. So that's 1/3 times, so -45 and 24 is -21. And -36 and 24 is -12. So our variable matrix x is, we're going to multiply both of them by 1/3, so that's -7 and -4, which is the same ordered pair we got before, -7, -4. So this is just another way to solve systems of equations where we have two variables and two equations.